Hey everybody, I'm Jason Yoder. Welcome to my channel, and we are in the Jeongnyeongse Buddhist Temple here in Seoul, Korea. So the month of May has finished. It's time for me to share with you guys some of the images I've been selling on the stock photography market. Let's go. Over the next month, my YouTube channel is in South Korea. I've made every attempt to capture images at every opportunity. Seoul is a stock photographer's paradise. I cannot wait to see how these images sell over the next few months, but first, let's see what's popular in May. Alright, so here's this month's first time sell. Now this image is not from any episode that I've shot. This is actually from the preserve behind our house of some owls in the desert. You can see mama and her babies. So that was just a really lucky shot. Usually you have to fight a crowd when you're near this particular owl's nest because it's well known, but you can see, got both of them looking right at the camera. It was awesome. So images of mine that continuously sell are my Arizona sunset images. So this panorama that you're looking at right now came from my episode on shooting desert sunset. So click on the link above and check it out if you want to experience that full episode, because there's a lot of images that came from this one that I'm continuously making money on. Alright, so remember, you don't necessarily have to take images if you're trying to do some sales in stock photography. They also do illustrations. So these next two that you're seeing right now actually came from a software package called Bryce 3D that I've owned for many years. Now Bryce is more or less for landscape type stuff, but what I did is used a bunch of reflective planes and a point of light to create these starburst scenarios, these starburst images that you're seeing now. And they sell maybe once every few months, but still it's more money going into the pot, so something to think about. Alright guys, so here's my top selling image from Adobe stock for the month of May. This image is over 10 years old and still going strong on Adobe stock. Back before I wrapped my Jeep around a telephone pole, I would head out into the snowstorms of Indiana to see what kinds of extreme weather I could capture. This was taken in the middle of a snowstorm. That falling snow in the background, well, it completely removed all the buildings a half a mile away and gave me a white background to create this minimalistic image. Here is my top selling image from Big Stock Photo. This past winter, I traveled up to the Grand Canyon and showed some real dedication to photography. With the temperatures hovering around -6 degrees, I captured this sunrise panorama of the Grand Canyon with a crown of freshly fallen snow. And Getty Images did pretty good this month, so here's the top image sold on Getty Images. This is from one of my original episodes when I first started blogging. This is the Delta Hotel in downtown Saskatoon, Canada, as seen on a very cold winter night from several blocks away, shot with a very long lens. I had quite a crowd watching me from the warmth of the Midtown Mall. It paid off with this image because it sells usually about once a month. Hey guys, I'm still here in Seoul sharing with you my stock photography sales for this past month. Now I want to show you one that quite literally just sold as I'm on this bridge shooting this beautiful scene here in Seoul. What you're about to see, it's a first time image sale, $43.75. This is an image from Lake Wakasu up in Prince Albert National Park in Saskatchewan, Canada. So here you go and enjoy. So right now it's just a waiting game, just to see what's going to happen. And the sun's still above the clouds shooting under, so there's no color hitting them. So we just have to wait and see what happens. So I'm going to continue exploring South Korea, enjoying this adventure, capturing some great images, and I want you to come along with me. So click that subscribe button, and remember, never stop exploring. See you next time.